Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am Mohammad Mubashir from my YouTube channel Multi-Learning Platform. In today's discussion, we will talk about types of pronoun. As we know that in the previous lecture, we have talked about a pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of actual noun. In today's discussion topic, we will talk about types of pronoun. When we talk about types of pronoun, we see that the first type of pronoun is the personal pronoun. And personal pronoun, it is such type of pronoun which is used to describe, to express the persons. And this is known as personal pronoun. Then we talk about examples of the personal pronoun. Example, when we talk about example, we have written two sentences there, and in these sentences, first sentence is he is proud of his country. He is proud of his country. In this sentence, you can see that it is a word which is used in the place of actual noun, and this is known as personal pronoun, he. In the second sentence, when we read out a sentence, we see that we are going to Karachi. In this sentence, we is a word which is used in the place of actual noun, and this is known as personal pronoun. In this way, we have talked about examples of the personal pronoun. Now we talk about subcategories of personal pronoun. This is a highly important topic, and this is very important and valuable, and you have an intensive attention to comprehend it. And this is known as personal pronoun chart. And in this personal pronoun chart, we talk about subcategories of personal pronoun. When we see that the personal pronouns are further divided into three categories, they are known as persons. And in these categories, there is first person, and as you can see that there is second person, and in this way there is third person. And every kind of person have various three cases, and first one is a subjective or nominate case, and nominative case. Second one is possessive case, and the third one is objective or accusative case. In this way, accusative case. In this way, when we talk about first person, we have two words in the first person. One is I and the other is we. In this way, one I is only used for singular, and we is always used for plural. And these words are known as first person. And the possessive, then we see that possessive case has two kinds. One is possessive adjective and other one is possessive independent. One is possessive independent and other one is possessive adjective. The possessive independent of I is mine, and possessive adjective of I is my. Possessive adjective are also known as pronominal adjective. It means the pronoun which behave as an adjective. When we talk about we, the possessive independent of we is ours, and the possessive adjective of we is our. In this way, when we talk about objective or accusative case, the objective or accusative case of I is me, and this case of we is us. In this way, we have discussed all about first person, three cases, and then the two types of possessive case. Next, we will move toward second person. Second person, as you know that in second person we have you alone. It is a alone word which is placed in the second person, and it can be used as singular or plural. In both cases, it can be used such as singular or plural. In this way, its subjective or nominative case is you, and its possessive case, when we talk about its possessive case, its possessive independent is yours. Its possessive independent is yours, but its possessive adjective is your. Its possessive adjective is your. When we talk about its objective or accusative case, we see that its objective or accusative case is you. In this way, next we will move toward third person, and we see that in the third person we have four words: he, she, it, and they. He is only used in the singular sense, in the singular form, and its possessive independent is his, and its possessive adjective is also his. It has both types of possessive, such as possessive adjective and possessive independent. Both are same, and this is his. And its objective or accusative case is him. Next, we will move toward she. She is also used as a singular, and its possessive independent is hers, and its possessive adjective is her. Its possessive independent is hers, and its possessive adjective is her. And its objective or accusative case is also her. In this sense, the she, it is part of the third person, and it has the same form of possessive adjective and objective case. In this way, next we will move toward our third part of third person. It also be used as a singular, and its possessive independent is its, and its possessive adjective is its. Both are its, and they are the same case, such as his. They have its. They have its, such as he, and its objective or accusative case is it. Next, we will move toward they. This is the last part of third person. This is used in the plural sense, and its possessive case also has two types like the others, and its possessive independent is theirs, and its possessive adjective is there. And when we talk about its objective or accusative case, then we see that its objective or accusative case is them. In this way, we have totally explained the first type of pronoun, which is known as personal pronoun. And here we also discussed about the personal pronoun chart. And in this chart, we have discussed subcategories of personal pronouns, which are known as first person, second person, and third person. And there are various cases, such as nominative or subjective case, possessive case, and further division of possessive case, such as possessive independent and possessive adjective. And next, in the last, we have discussed about their third case, which is known as objective or accusative case. Dear students and friends, to see more videos of such kind, you can subscribe my channel so that you can easily see all my upcoming videos. With this, I will say goodbye. Okay, Allah Hafiz.